Good morning viewers and welcome to the channel. Today's project is somewhat momentous, for it is none other than the Platinum Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth II. Whether you are a royalist or republican, you cannot deny that 70 years of reign is worthy of comment. And what better way to celebrate 70 years than to go back to the very beginning with one of Her Majesty's earlier public gowns. Here we see the crafter modifying the base by giving our young queen a leotard and some regal slippers. By referring to a photographical record, they can review the detail of her delightful strapless white dress, which they follow accordingly before moving on to the head. Well, that turned out to be a pleasingly simple skirt. Here we see our dedicated crafter working from the waist down to the shoes, which will allow Her Majesty to sport a modern floor-length skirt. When it comes to the royal image, no look is complete without suitable hairstyling. In the case of royalty, one should find a style that one likes and proceed to wear it for the next 85 years. For the crowning glory of this tribute, we see the crafter begin with a base of wire that is quickly bent into a circle and sealed with some newfangled electrical tape. Crocheting then proceeds around the wire until it can no longer be seen. Our crafter is then free to complete the crown. Isn't that striking, ladies and gentlemen? And now the crafter moves on to a matter of modesty and delicacy, as they apply lace to the bodice to achieve the delicate and detailed appearance Her Majesty truly deserves. By applying a strip of folded 2-inch lace around the torso, our crafter achieves a sheer yet feminine neckline. Navy blue ribbon is used to create the sash of office. We can assure viewers that it is bright and vibrant. The crafter applies her many years of skill to shape the ribbon into a V shape before sewing it together, ensuring that it is fit for a queen. Ah, and we are back to the present day. So nice to be back in full colour. Oh, what happened to my amigurumi? Anyway, that concludes this project. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and even consider subscribing if you like the content that I create. Don't forget to hit that bell button to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and enjoy the beauty shots. Happy Platinum Jubilee! See you in the next one. Bye! Well, hello! Whether you are a royalist or a republican, in Hartford, Hereford and Hampshire, hurricanes hardly happen. Oh, I'm not getting into this role at all.